Okay, today we will probably spend about 1 hour. Plus extra 20 minutes exercise. So we will learn the main thing called AI. How many of you experience using AI? All of us. It's what do we use for?
For helping answer.
Helping answer, yes. So you don't need to think.
Just explain how to do just tell what is the answer, how to read.
Okay. Anything? Homework. Yeah. Homework, yeah. So AI do the job for you. You don't need to think. Is it? All right. Okay. Okay. So that's the topic today. How we use AI to solve our real life problem. Or the other word, how we utilize AI function to support us in learning, lifelong learning. Support us well. So that's the key word. So what do we use? What AI for is normally we are human. We are thinkers. We can think. Do you think AI can think?
Yes.
No. Correct. Why?
Because I only gather information from the net.
Yeah, AI have. What human doing? Human got brain. Human got brain. People think, okay, AI can replace human, but cannot. Because AI have no brain. AI only can support your thinking. Right now, AI still have no brain. So AI is still not smart like human. But AI can be assist human. AI can support human. AI can give you a hand to do it. Right? Okay, let's get in this information for me. Like help me, assist you, support you to do the job. So that's what AI is doing. So here, this diagram is original is human, critical thinking or thinker. Then the thinker needs the loop, thinker needs information. And AI assist you, digital assist you. And then it become output. Otherwise, you need to go and, okay, let's get information. Let's go to library in the old day. When I did my PhD, that time we have e-library, but we still go and collect the book, read the book, and quoting information from the book. But this day, they have e-library, but they can use AI to find specific information from different sources of data. Any information available in digital world, AI can go and grab it. Okay. So can collect those information for you. It's like to assist you. So what do you need to, what do you need to tell AI? What do you need AI to get information? If you have a system, what do you need to do?
We need to give them the correct question for AI to get the specific answer to us.
Correct. Give instructions. The left to right. Give me this. Sufficient instruction. Enough information. Enough data for AI to go and collect information. Right? So that's the key thing. Yeah. So you can use AI to support you, of course, help you to do homework, assignment, even go into workplace. You can use AI to do a lot of things. You can see some people use AI to broadcasting the video. If you watch YouTube channel, if you watch anything, AI can convert your work or your document to become voice, your document to become video, your document to become presentation, your document to become overhead advertising, like billboard or something. Yeah. So that's what AI can. But original document or idea might come from because AI won't have any idea what you want. So you need to tell AI what you want. And this is will be coming from is use AI for your lifelong or AI for your study, someone to study, collect information for you, analyze information for you, and then generate the concept for some answer that you want to do. And now we call calculator, maybe digital as well. What you need for calculator to calculate the number, you need require mathematical symbol. For example, 5 plus 5 equal something. Okay. So you need the input for it. Same thing, AI engine, you need to give content. You need to give what content you want it to do or find out. You need to give an audience as well who that information for or what content that information for relate to. And also you need to give constraint as well, right? Based on that, then you have the result of telecontent. The result of telecontent. That's why we call that you need to learn. Do you know the word prompt?
Yes.
AI prompt. Yes? So that is something you tell it to program. Some advanced AI, if you prompt it well, or you go back further to coding the prompt. And what you try to do with today experience with car racing, in fact, you can connect AI prompt to make running better faster. You can see sometimes the control is still not rely okay, something in the front or on the bottom, hit something. But if you use connect some of AI to the prompt, it will looking for object. Go to object, if you see object, okay, turn right. If you see again, you're going to hit the right side, okay, turn right. So that you use AI prompt. Yeah. AI can also structure and solving the problem. You can see it particularly with mathematical function as well as any project methodology. Any project methodology. Any project you work on, construction, any farming work, anything, AI can do that. Also, brainstorming and innovation or innovate. You ask number of concept ideas, framework, AI can do that for you. As well as I said, control, direction, and doing number two. And also doing writing, translating the work. Write English, you write in Tamil, can be translated well. With my experience, if we call about 1200 ago, not long, 1200 ago, 365 days. By that time, we start to use experience using different AI, particularly ChatGPT, one of the best content writer. I'm experienced at that time if you ask AI to translate anything from Thai to English, you only get 70% accurate, or even 60% accurate. But right now we can say 95%. Same thing if you translate English to Chinese. I have friends who do a research together. They say accuracy only less than 50% of the time, but not close to 90%. Same with Arabic, I have friends who Arabic as well as some Indian people and different events in Korea. So it do a lot better, improve a lot in the translating work. So that for function AI can do. So for example here, if you say, tell me what the weather like today. If you type the word in an AI, cross or whatever, just tell me the weather today. What the answer can be. It's very generic, right? Because why? Just know whether you're talking about whether in Rajendri, Chiang Mai, New York, Australia, or something. So I have to be specific. Are you talking about current time or are you talking at night or morning? So it's not specific enough. Therefore, you might explain the detail. In the weather of midday today in Rajendri and Mường Rajendri is in our location. That's specific enough. As well as target audience, you didn't tell who target audience. You need information on year 8 student group, secondary international student, things like that, as well as content, particularly specific content, condition, content. And then as well as if you can ask what kind of output are you looking for? Are you looking for table, graph? Are you looking for wording paragraph or are you looking for diagram? You need to tell AI as well. And the last thing is you might give a simple language. Simple language, not a comprehension or content. So then you will have sufficient answer for that. All right. SMART, why do we call SMART? What SMART stands for? S. You need to be specific. Clearly state the exact task you want to perform, what you want to do. Mention. You need to mention the target audience, what information you need it for. And then you need to provide contract. What condition are you talking about? You need to also ask what format you want the AI to present that. A bullet point, essay report, something like that. Any image, diagram, information structure, tone as well, right? How you want to do it? Formal, informal, professional, workplace, environment, thing, for friends, something like that. Casual. You have to be specific. Here's one question. Specific expression. Mention audience, tone, how complicated they are. Simple one, add contrast, fact, right? What the outcome can be like, bullet point. So this is how you write it, and this is SMART. Okay, so as I said, the input you provide, the sufficient information, the outcome you need. If you use SMART concept form, use SMART concept. All right. Okay, I just want you to look into this. Okay, can we access?
We can use it in chat.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now this one word I said, I explain photosynthesis for students, and this is outcome. This is outcome. So give me the data that is all detail of that, right? Sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, glucose, oxygen. Yep. So that's the outcome. I just type that word. SMART. Yes. Now the last one I have is I wrote a paragraph and I asked ChatGPT to help me to write a meta to improve the word. I said here, after spending 2 months back home in Australia during winter, I came back feeling refreshed, energized of the cool weather. However, after return to Thailand yesterday evening, I feel very warm and sleepy because of hot weather, time difference and jet lag, right? And now ChatGPT rewrote that. Yeah. After spending 2 months back home in Australia during winter, I returned feeling refreshed, hot, energized by the cold weather. However, after I arrived back Thailand yesterday, I feel more sleepy, fatigue due to tropical heat and time different changes, right? So this is something, an example, I would be ChatGPT to work with. Right, so that is something answer the idea of whether we apply principles. The answer is yes, and that the outcome we can have. Now I need you to select based on the topic. You can select on your own. Yeah. Whether the first topic talking about climate change, second one ancient Egyptian, third one fiction, the fourth one healthy lifestyle, number 5 space exploration, and I want you to apply this into smart prompt. You can think about that. What topic you like? Work out first. What topic you like? If you not really good with, I don't mind for you to work in a pair. Maybe to share the idea a little bit. But if you can work on your own, it's better to work on your own. Yep. Select topic, which one you want to work on. Whether climate change. From that 5 topic to start. Think of that. Tell me if you have any questions. Any question? This is smart concept, as you said. I think you need to select topic first. 5 topics. 5 topics. Alright, anyone need help? Raise your hand, please. to use it.
They have different temperature and maybe difficult for study and things.
Exercise sheet with the key concern of use AI. We can see how smart AI are. We know that we use in appropriate function and tone, that we will gain the advantage of it. And we will get a lot of great output result that we are looking for. Right? But, as I said, AI can explore a complex concept or simple one, depending on how far you want it to go. It also can generate idea of brainstorming, and you share information between two persons or different part of people among that, as well as how you to practice as well. Can you give the system can give you a quick practical exercise and things like that, as well as it can also summarize a number of things. You can see that whatever you ask for is summed up to become one single image or diagram or whatever result you want to do. So this is, you can see this is really powerful, as I said, assistant to your learner and assist you to feeding into the. In today's world, back to Australia, involved University of Sydney researching forum, and what we try to do is develop AI to be facilitator of normal and abnormal learning for school kids. So we practice in New South Wales and we use the system for students who are slow learners and have limitation of learning by having AI to try to help them. Whether those kids have limitation of literacy skill, numeracy skill, the AI factor or AI application will help as facilitator to try to collect the data, how far the student can. And today, if we go to any specific online learning platform, any online learning platform, the platform will get to know how much knowledge or prior knowledge you have. If you are really advanced learner, the system will try to give you a complicated exercise experiment or exercise. If you are beginner or low-end learner, the system will start with very basic. So you can see that how smart it is. And that we call that smart teacher program. Basically using university, the city of Sydney is called smart student program, smart teacher program. So that's how we can do. But again, as you can see, sometimes doesn't give you reliable answer. Sometimes give you wrong answer. Sometimes give you inaccurate answer. So you need to understand how to cross-check those as well, based on your person. And I said, if you are pilot, AI only co-pilot. You are the one main captain. AI co-pilot, you are pilot. The AI will replace it. And absolutely. Any idea?
I don't think replace human, but I think human that know how to use AI correctly will replace human that doesn't know how to use. Yes.
Correct, yeah. That's the smart answer. Thank you. If you know how to use it, you know how to utilize it. People who have no idea how to use it, they will become absolute. Absolute. So that's why the learning today is not going at hierarchy at the old day. Old day, if you know something really advanced, it means super smart. But this day you need to learn broader. It becomes horizontal learning rather than vertical learning. So if you are smart learner, you need to know the broad concept and idea. This day you don't need to, if you want to be the best, I say, statistic person or statistic worker, let's say. If you work as statistic organization, you try to know the formula thing. You don't need to go in that detail anymore, but you need the tool and AI to support you to do that. The other one, you don't need to learn how to create the tool anymore, but you can learn the detail between that because someone already got something somewhere, so you just have to know how to access and utilize those knowledge or information, right? So that's the concept behind that. But again, as people who were doing academic work, people who are doing commercial part, copyright always important. So AI never be able to claim those copyright against the other people. That's why the human being and idea and smart brain still required for that. Okay. So that's one of the conclusions I would say that to be smart. And as I said, we don't need to copy answer. We don't need to ask AI to give you answer. But ask AI to going around to give you another solution option. Because in life, anything come up. Something right or wrong answer still there. And not only one option, you still have another option or solution. And AI will bring you those solutions. Quick short assessment work. Along that line. And can you distribute along that line? One.
Yeah.
time I just ask you to remove your hand from keyboard. You need to use your brain now. Okay? Don't use your AI to help you to write. I want you to think and write on your own. Yes. And then you got start. You can ask me a question. You have to think of the prompt first. That's why I said the prompt must be your own prompt. I think we're gonna finish around 10 o'clock. You can work on part B, that is the key to test the prompt. And then you can answer part C. Followed by part B.
Question.
Yes.
Still shy to ask.
Oh, what question? You need to write your comment based on the topic. What topic? Yeah. Saving electricity at home. So what question do you want to ask? No, you need to write this first. You need to write first. Think of smart concept. Yep. So basically, we're talking about saving electricity at home, right? What can you say?
Yes.
You have to come up with a question first. How would I save? Think about smart. Yeah. Look on it. Clearly state exactly what task you want it to do. You can say how, why, what, something like that. How. Or could you tell me something like that? Let's discuss the conclusion is, right, as we said that AI is, of course, give you solution, give you some answer, can be your great helper, and we're talking about if you are a pilot, if you are working as pilot, AI would be your co-pilot, assist you, but never think or replace you. Never think or replace you. You still be as human, and you still be as thinker. Therefore, you must or you should be able to give or utilize your assistant or your co-pilot what to do if you are on the flight. You need to program, you need to give a clear instruction. And most of the time, clear instruction come from the idea of smart, right? You need to identify what your co-pilot or your assistant to do, or AI to do. You must be specific. If you ask for specific answer, data, information, you need to be specific. Target, location, geography, age, target group, and things like that at the audience. And also condition. You need to tell as well to AI what condition you want it to be work on, right? What is to work on. And then the last thing, what kind of output are you looking for? Are you looking the system to give you image? Are you looking the system to give you chart, diagram, table, data, paragraph, or word or something? So this is very important thing. So one of the most important thing in this day is people use AI. Use a lot of AI. Particularly with study. They won't do it by themselves. They ask AI to do it. And many of system or e-learning system we use back home in Australia or wherever in the world. Those systems can track and check whether those thoughts come from AI. The system even can check which part of that paragraph come from which website. So system is smart. Don't just think it can do the job for you. You must create your own idea concept, create your own word, and ask system to polishing for you. Alright, and all the best with your carry on study. I will come to visit from time to time. Thank you everyone for your time. And all the best.
Thank you.